Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and a very happy new year. I can't believe we are already in the midst of a new year. So first video of the new year, and I'm really excited because so many of you have been requesting a fragrance video, which are some of my very favorite to make. So this video is all about Parfums de Marly's Palatine fragrance, and this is their latest fragrance from their feminine fragrance collection. If you've seen the bottle, then you know that I dressed for the occasion because it is purple. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So firstly, I have every single fragrance from Parfums de Marly's feminine fragrance collection, and I love them all. If you have not checked out any of my previous videos, I will leave them linked down in the description box below. And I do have a whole Delina review as well as individual reviews like this one. And I do also have a video with my full feminine fragrance collection with all kinds of perfumes. So if you love fragrances, then I highly recommend checking that out. Although I have expanded it since then, so I should probably update it a little bit. If you want to see an updated perfume collection video, let me know down in the comments below. As with any new fragrance that I review, I have not smelled it yet. I love to do it on camera so that you can see my authentic and honest reaction, and so I can try to guess the notes in the fragrance, which I haven't looked at yet. So before I do my scent test, let's go ahead and check out the packaging. Parfums de Marly always has the most beautiful packaging, and all of their feminine fragrances have a different color. So I really love this purple color. It is so beautiful. It's so regal. It's very princessy, and yeah, it's just so high quality and really beautiful. And when you open it, there she is. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Look at her. Also, if you are wondering, the inside of the package is lined with velvet. It's really luxurious. So the fragrance itself is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this bottle. Of course, it's got the signature Parfums de Marly look with the tassels and the metallic lid with a little jewel on top. And the bottle has that iconic design along with this really beautiful detailing. And it is very like French Baroque. I absolutely love their packaging when it comes to the actual packaging or the fragrance packaging. Everything is just so well thought of, and the entire collection goes together, and it's just really magical. I love it so much, and Parfums de Marly is more of a niche and high quality brand, and you can see that quality in everything from the design to the materials to the scent itself. What's also really interesting about Parfums de Marly in particular is that the scent always seemed to match the color of the fragrance, which is so interesting. So for this one, I'm thinking it's going to be like very regal and romantic and just a really pretty fragrance. I mean, that's just what I get like first impressions looking at the bottle. Also, I have noticed that the clear bottles tend to have lighter fragrances, so fragrances that are lighter in scent but also lighter in longevity, so they don't tend to last as long as the ones in the solid color bottles. But that's just my experience, so I'm thinking this is probably going to be like a light and airy fragrance. But let's go ahead and give it a sniff. This smells really good already. Okay, I'll let it sit for about 10 seconds or so. Ooh, it's kind of what I imagined, but also different. It smells very florally, like violets. And there's a little bit of kind of a sandy undertone, maybe a little bit of musk, but definitely very florally. I can also smell a bit of fruit. I'm not quite sure what it is, but there is a little bit of a fruity scent in there as well. It's really nice. I really like it. It's definitely very, very feminine and ultra romantic. I really love this one. And what I really love about Parfum de Marly fragrances in general is that they seem to evolve as time goes on. So when you first spray it, it has a certain scent, but then after a few minutes it changes, and it's just really interesting. So, you know, initially there's this giant explosion of florals, but then it kind of dies down to more of like a fruity, woodsy scent. That's just my experience with all of the other ones. Yeah, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just imagine myself in a lavender field with a giant sun hat, with the most beautiful day, like the bluest sky, the sun beating down, like in a nice way, of course, like with gentle warmth on your skin, and just picnicking among the lavender. That's honestly what I imagine when I smell this. It's very pretty, so I would say that this is probably a really nice scent for spring and summer, but it could also work for fall and possibly winter, but I would say definitely spring and summer and fall. And this seems like more of a daytime scent. I think it does have potential to be a signature scent. It's very nice. It's very Marie Antoinette. So let's go ahead and take a look at the notes. Okay, so these are the notes according to the Parfum de Marly website. Top notes are mandarin, bergamot, and pear. Heart notes are violet petal, lavender, and floral bouquet, and base notes are sandalwood, patchouli, musk, and vanilla. Very interesting. I don't really get a lot of vanilla. I mean, maybe. As it's dried down, it has like a slight soapiness to it, and I'm thinking maybe that's a mix of the musk and the vanilla. I definitely did smell a lot of fruity notes at first, like a minute or two after I sprayed it, but now it's just like straight up florals, like lavender, violets. It's very, very pretty. I really love it. So in comparison to all of my other Parfum de Marly feminine fragrances, it's definitely up there as a favorite, but it does not beat out my favorite Delina. Of course, I absolutely love Delina, and that has been my signature scent for years, but it is very close. I really do love this one. In fact, I have been thinking of making a video where I rank all of the Parfum de Marly fragrances. Would you like to see that? Let me know down in a comment below. So I think that is it for this scent test. I'm not sure about the longevity yet, as I literally just sprayed it, but I will definitely update down in the description box below. Also, if you want to shop this fragrance, I will have it linked down in the description box. And if not, I highly recommend getting a sample from the fragrance counter so you can at least test it out. And if you have tried it, I would love to know your thoughts. Are you a fan of Palatine? Do you have another favorite from Parfum de Marly? Or do you have another fragrance in general that is your go-to for every day? I would love to know what your thoughts are and what some of your other favorite fragrances are. Be sure to let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the big thumbs up down below, and don't forget to share and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of the community. For even more feminine fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, make sure you check out my blog, LizzieandLace.com, and don't forget to follow along on my pretty pink Instagram at LizzieandLace. I will see you next time. Bye!